Hello future homeowners, this is MJ, your property realtor, and today, let's have a quick tour here at Chloe Dress Up Unit.
We're here today at Metrogate Silang Estates to give you an exclusive house tour, one of our beautiful model homes. But before we begin, let me give you a quick highlight this prime subdivision. Location: Metrogate Silang Estates is strategically located along Aguinaldo Highway, just 15 minutes from Calax. And guess what? We're also very near Tagaytay, approximately 14 kilometers away. That's just a 30 to 45 minutes drive. Punta naman tayo sa accessibility niya. Everything you need is within reach. FEU Cavite is located inside the community itself. Right outside the gate, McDonald's agad. Along the highway, you'll also find All Homes, Kenny Rogers, Shakey's, and many more convenience and dining spots.
This is the carport of the Chloe. So, one car lang yung kasya sa kanya. And then, this side naman, may pocket garden. So, let's go at the back of the house. And from here, meron ditong extra sink, which is pwede nyo siyang gawing dirty kitchen. And then yung lot naman niya, pwede nyo isagad papunta dito. Ito yung back of the house. Let's go inside. This is the living room. Anything you like na design. So, pwede dyan. Then this is the dining. So, modern design. Modern design po itong dress up unit. So, pwede kayong maglagay dyan ng dito. Pwede kayong maglagay ng TV or monitor habang nagbabanding kayo ng family dito sa living room or ng mga friends mo, workmates. And then, meron ditong comfort room para hindi na kayo umakyat sa taas. And then, this side naman is the kitchen area. Malaki yung kitchen niya. So, kahit dalawa kayo nagluluto dyan, hindi siya masikip. And malawak din naman yung first floor. So, pwede pa nga kayo dito maglagay ng wall para nasa pagitan ng dining and living room. So, kasi ang ginawa dito, nilagyan lang ng here na yung design na ganyan na wall. And then, pagpasok, so, meron ditong display, which is kung ang gusto nyo naman TV monitor, okay din siya. Para if may mga bisita kayo, so dito sila tatambay. So this is the second floor. So meron ditong common toilet and bath para hindi na kayo bumaba kapag nandito kayo sa mga rooms. Then this is the first room, which is for the kids. If you're growing families or starting a family, so perfect to sa mga magiging anak nyo or sa mga anak nyo. And this side naman, yung second bedroom. Kung dalawa yung kids nyo, so pwede tag-isa sila. If wala pa naman kayong kids, this room is pwede nyo siyang gawing office room nyo. Kung naka-work from home kayo, yan, pwede siya. This is the master's bedroom. Ang master's bedroom is may sariling toilet and bath. Malaki din naman siya. So, hindi siya masikip para sa inyo. And from here, so nandito yung papuntang balcony. So, pasok, labas tayo. So, yan. So, L-type yung balcony ng Chloe. Dito sa kabilang side, meron pa siya. So, pwede nyo siya gawing tambayan or kapag magko-coffee kayo in the morning or meron kayong meeting with the friends or tatambay lang kayo. So, pwede siya dito. Diba ba? Mahangin. O kahit tanghaling tapat dito. Nakikita nyo naman paano siya kahangin. Kasi malapit tayo sa Tagaytay. Kaya yung cool breeze ng Tagaytay, ma-feel na rin natin dito sa Metro Gate Silang Estates.
Bago matapos ang video na to, gusto ko munang ipakita sa inyo kung bakit panalo ang Metro Gate Silang Estates pagdating sa amenities. Unang-una, meron tayong malaking clubhouse with a function room sa second floor. Perfect venue for family events and special gatherings. May fitness gym din para sa healthy lifestyle mo. Meron tayong football field at basketball court na mismong ginagamit ng mga students sa FEU. Kaya quality at well-maintained talaga. At good news, ang golf driving range natin magre-resume na ulit this year. Swak na swak para sa mga mahilig mag-golf. Pero ang pinaka-highlight, ang ating resort-style jungle pool. Para ka nang nag-staycation araw-araw. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-out of town. Dito pa lang, panalo ka na.
So, ayun, kapag interested kayong makita yung actual ng Chloe house model here at Metro Gate Silang Estate, just call me or message me. Nandito lang yung number ko and yung Facebook page ko, and then schedule po tayo ng site viewing. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.